In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot and annotate it using Sharex. Sharex is a versatile tool that makes capturing and editing screenshots a breeze. Whether you're using it for work or just sharing some fun visuals with friends, Sharex offers a robust set of features to enhance your images. So, let's dive right into how you can get started with this process. First off, when you want to capture a screenshot in Sharex, you have a couple of options. You can select the Capture option from the menu, and within that, choose Region. Alternatively, you can use a predefined hotkey, which is a quick and handy way to grab a specific part of your screen. Once you've captured your screenshot, you might notice a thumbnail or an editor window popping up. This is a great feature that allows you to dive straight into editing. Click on the Annotate Image option. If a prompt appears, make sure to allow the image editor to open so you can start making your tweaks. Now, if for some reason you don't see the editor appearing, don't worry. This might be related to your After Capture Tasks settings. You can check out these settings to ensure that everything is configured to your preference. By doing this, you make sure there won't be any interruptions to your workflow. Inside the image editor, you'll find a range of versatile tools designed to help you highlight important parts of your screenshot. You have arrows, lines, rectangles, and ellipses at your disposal. These are perfect for drawing attention to specific details. If you want to add a bit more personality or context to your screenshot, there's a text tool available where you can type in captions. Further enhancing your images is made possible with effects such as highlight, blur, and pixelate. These are incredibly useful when you need to obscure sensitive information or put emphasis on certain sections of the image without distracting your audience. If you'd like to ensure that the editor opens automatically every time you take a screenshot, head over to the Sharex main window. There you'll find the After Capture Tasks section, where you can enable the Annotate Image option. This streamlines the process by making sure every screenshot you take directly opens in the editor. Navigating the annotation toolbar is straightforward. Simply select the tool you need, adjust the color, line thickness, or font to your liking, and click or drag on the image to place your shapes or text precisely where you want them. Once you've finished with your annotations, the next step is to save your image. You can do this by going to File and then Save, or simply pressing Ctrl+S. Sharex also offers options to upload or copy the image based on how you've configured it. A helpful optional feature you might find useful is Lock Annotations, which ensures that once you place your shapes, they aren't moved unintentionally. Finally, if you ever wish to revisit your image, make sure it's saved and simply reopen it. Keep in mind, though, that Sharex merges annotations into the image itself, so you might find that making changes to individual shapes can be a bit limited later. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now you can capture and annotate images with ease using Sharex. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and happy editing!